I'm going to hop over here to the company section and jump to my engineering area. And this is where I'm going to show that asset import. So if I click this import assets button here, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to browse to my, if I can find my downloads, there we go. So again, this is that CSV file that I exported straight out of MetTeam just this morning. I'm going to validate that file, and you can see it confirm that everything looks the way it should. So I come over here and you can see it extracted from the column headers in that file the name of those columns. And now it attempted to map those to the fields within CalStudio, but in some cases it couldn't. Right, so here we can say, let's see. I don't see that one. Oh, because I'm importing this to a specific customer, so I'll skip that field. I can look at my serial number and find the OEM serial number column. I can look at my model, the description mapped on its own. I can look at my make. And so when I go to next, it's going to look at those fields that I chose to import. And you can see it found potential duplicates. So this 179, Fluke 179 that I added yesterday manually is the same as the one I had potentially in the export I did, because it matched that serial number and the model. Right, so now it gives me that option. But instead of having to go back, redo my file, start the whole process over again, I can actually make an edit right here in the file, in the data that's being brought over, and change this to be, maybe this is 8. And I'm going to click done and import that anyway with those changes. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. You can tell I don't import assets enough. When I start that process, you can see really fast, right? And we're done. We imported 36 records in less than a minute. So this piece of functionality will be added on clients. It will be added in other areas as we expand that. But this is the first area where it's available on that assets import for the company section and looking at a specific area of the organization. And now if we go look at my assets, and look at, actually we're already there. In the asset list for engineering, you can see all those assets I just imported from that export from MetTeam.